Two major contenders in the CRM universe. One big question, which truly helps your business grow. On one side, Nutshell, known for its simple yet robust approach to sales. And on the other, Insightly, packed with features for complex workflows. We're diving into real business scenarios that matter. Ease of use, integrations, pricing, support, customization, and more. No marketing fluff, just honest side-by-side comparison. We'll award points across each area, so you can see at a glance who really wins. The outcome might surprise you. Let's get into it. Might surprise you. Let's get into it. Here's our mind map for today's showdown. We're talking price, features, ease of use, reporting, integrations, and support. We'll look at how each stacks up, what stands out, what's kind of annoying, and by the end you'll know the real deal. Okay, let's kick things off with price. Now, Nutshell is refreshingly straightforward. You pay one flat price and you get everything. No upsells, no nickel and diming for add-ons. The only downer? The free trial's kind of short, but at least there's no weird paywalls. Compare that to Insightly, which, yes, does have a free plan for 2 users. Kinda nice. But if you actually need the good stuff, you'll find a lot of features locked behind higher-priced plans. If your team's growing, costs can sneak up real fast. So, for keeping it simple and budget-friendly, Nutshell totally takes this one. Next up, features. Nutshell gives you all the classic sales CRM stuff, including email automation and some social media connections. It's got what most small teams need. But if you've got bigger dreams, like project management baked in or super advanced automations, that's where Insightly shines. Seriously, Insightly packs some project tracking, deep workflows, tons of integrations. The catch? It's a little more complicated, and you might have to upgrade for some of the fanciest tools. But if you want power moves, Insightly's the winner here. Let's talk about ease of use. This is huge, right? Nutshell is honestly super user-friendly. Like, you can open it up and pretty much just go. The UI is clean, onboarding's a breeze. The flip side? If you're a massive organization craving complexity, you might hit a wall. With Insightly, it's definitely more flexible and customizable. Good for power users, but things can get messy. It just takes longer to feel at home. So, if you want to get started fast with minimal headaches, Nutshell wins on usability. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know CRM started out as just a Rolodex and sticky notes? Seriously, wild to think people built empires that way. Alright, back to the showdown. Alright, on to reporting. So Nutshell covers the basics. Helpful sales reports, nothing too fancy. But if you're a data nerd or you want to build wild dashboards, it's a little light. Insightly, on the other hand, is all about customization. Custom dashboards, fancy analytics, if you're willing to pay for the top tiers. The trade-off? Not everyone wants to mess with all of that. But if you need advanced numbers, Insightly pulls ahead. Let's chat integrations next. So Nutshell is pretty solid with the essentials, Google Workspace, Office, those kinds of things. But if you're integrating left and right, you might notice it doesn't have as many direct plugins. Insightly goes all in here. We're talking hundreds of options, plus Zapier and an API if you want to get nerdy. But honestly, if your team is on the smaller side, that might feel like total overkill. Still, for raw connection power, Insightly is the champ. And last, support. Nutshell is great with live chat and phone help. You'll usually get a reply fast, which is awesome when you're stuck. Only catch, they're not hanging around 24/7. Insightly offers more ways to get help, email, chat, phone, plus a community and a big knowledge base. But heads up, the quality and speed of support kind of depends on the plan you're on. So they both do a solid job overall, and I'd call this one a tie. Let's pull up the radar chart and see how all those strengths and quirks actually shape up. Because seeing the gaps side by side makes it so much clearer, right? So what's my take? If you want something simple and just want to get to work, Nutshell is a total breeze and you get everything up front. But if your business is growing or you want project management and a ton of integrations, Insightly is the way to go. For this matchup, Nutshell edges out as the better pick for most small teams, mainly for that combo of price, speed, and how easy it is to use. If this helped you compare your CRM options, make sure to stick around. I've got plenty more smart software picks coming